Good afternoon, P1 students. Today is Monday and it's the 20th of July 2020, right? So for today, I want you to get your learner's book, this book, and open it to page 51, 51, 51, 51. Alright, so this is, so remember last time we did this, right? So we will just review this first because today we will just talk about page 51. So here you will see that, is she pulling or pushing? So in the picture, as you can see, the mom is pushing the baby, right, in the stroller. Or it could also be that the mom is moving backward. So it could be pushing or pulling, right? So if your answer for this is push or pull, then it's okay, right? Because as you can see, the left leg shows that she is moving forward. So she will push. Or if you look at the right leg, it could be that she's moving backwards, right? So you can answer push or pull with this. How about this one? How is the boy moving? The dad is pushing, right? The dad is pushing the boy so that the boy can swing, right? Swing. Last time we talked about movements. Sometimes we can turn, we can jump up high, right? We can bend our body. Alright, so for today, for your task today, you are going to tell me, how are these people moving? So here, there's a girl dancing, people in with a horse, right? And then a girl, she looks like she's on a rope, right? What can you do with the rope? And then this guy is riding like a wheelchair, right? This guy has no leg. Okay, so here you will see, can you find turning, swing, pushing, and pulling? So which of these pictures? So teacher will mark this picture A. This is picture A, the girl, right? So A, so you can mark it in your book too, if you have your book. So this is picture A, this is picture B, picture C, and D. Alright, so which do you think? Which picture shows swing? Swing. Like this, like almost similar to this one. Swing. Swing. Which one? It's picture. Which one? In your book, you can see it clearly, right? So which of these four pictures, A, B, C, and D, shows swaying? Picture C, right? How about picture of turning? Which of this picture shows turning? This girl, right? Picture A. Which of this picture shows pulling? Pulling. So look at this horse. The horse is pulling the people in the cart, right? So this is the picture of pulling. And this one, letter D, is the picture of pushing. So this guy, in order for the wheels to move, he has to push the wheels. Okay, so again, picture A, turning, picture B, pulling, picture C, swinging, picture D, pushing. Alright, so for this other one, can you find Vishni and Chipo are riding bicycles? How can Chipo go faster? How can they go faster? They can go faster by what? If you are riding a bicycle, how can you make it faster? You push the pedals, right? These are the pedals where you put your legs or your foot. So you have to push it fast, quickly, right? How can Vishni slow down? So this is Vishni. How can she slow down? If you're going fast, you need your brake. You have to pull the brake so it will make the bicycle move slowly, not so fast, right? And for letter C, how can they turn? If you ride a bike, how can they turn? They can turn by either pulling or pushing the bike, right? So you can go this way or this way. So you can push one side. If you want to go this way, you want to push this side over here. And then if you want to go this one, you have to push this side to go this way. All right, so for your assignment today, please answer page 51 of your book. All right, thank you so much. Have a nice day and enjoy your Tuesday. Goodbye. And here's your star. Forget your star. Star, star, star. La, 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 la. You want your star? Yay. Are you ready?